The famous Indian car manufacturer Mahindra has confirmed to bring the next generation Scorpio next year. Mahindra has recently launched a new brand logo and the SUV XUV 700 in the premium segment. Mahindra intends to change the overall brand image by introducing the existing cars with a new perception. They have a plan to launch the next generation Scorpio on January 12, 2022 at the expected price between Rs 10 to 14 lakhs ex-showroom. The new generation Scorpio will be based on Mahindra's ladder-on frame architecture, which has already been used in Mahindra Thar. The new generation Scorpio will be the fourth generation of updated Scorpio, which will be bigger, better and more powerful than the current model and will come with the new brand logo. Talking about the power, the next generation Scorpio is expected to get BS6 compliant 2179cc 2.2-liter MHOG diesel engine, which can be able to churn out 170 bhp of power and 400 Nm of peak torque. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter AMT gearbox. A new 2-liter turbocharged M Stallion petrol engine is expected to be on offer, which can produce 155 bhp of power and 360 Nm of peak torque. The new Scorpio will get improved 4-wheel drive powertrain and off-road capabilities. In terms of exterior design, the new Scorpio will get a new updated design aspects in compared to the outgoing model. Up front, the SUV will receive projected double-barrel headlight setup, bumper-mounted U-shaped LED DRLs, Mahindra signature 6-slat chrome grille, raked windscreen, large black rear LEDs and updated front bumper with bumper-mounted LED fog light setup. The side profile will get power beams with indicated turn indicators, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, body colored door handles, side body molding, large wheel hooks with black cladding and diamond cut alloy wheels. The rear profile will get wraparound LED tail lights, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler with spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, rear fog lamps and rear reflectors and updated rear bumper. The interior of the new Scorpio is expected to be updated with a number of design aspects including spacious cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted highlighted AC vents, new leather wrapped power flat bottom steering wheel with steering mounted controls, semi-digital instrument cluster with multi-information TFT display, 8-inch big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, remote operation function via BlueSense connected app, multiple driving modes which includes rock, snow and mud mode and 4 high and 4 low for 4-wheel drive system, premium sound system with room mounted speakers, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop along with a micro hybrid function engine start stop option, keyless entry, auto dual zone climate control, ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery and well cushioning ventilated seats for better and comfortable ride with third row front facing seats. The new Scorpio could also offer a 5-seater variants. It is also expected to get some modern features like cruise control and a voice command function as well. The new generation Scorpio is expected to be updated with a number of standard safety features which includes ABS with EBD, electric stability program with rollover mitigation, hill hold assist, traction control, blind spot detection system, multiple airbags, seatbelt and door hazard warning system, tire pressure monitoring system, ISOFIX child seat anchorage and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.